Hi everybody, it's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with 12 journals of 22. Hashtag 12 of 22 journals by Bima's Crafty Corner. And each month she draws a theme and you make it. This month was travel. So I had this cool paper with like a map. And I got some little ephemera. This one's real simple. A lot of space to journal in. So all I did is I used this as my cover. And then when you open it, I just got like a bicycle, because you can ride bicycle on vacation, Statue of Liberty. Left this one very plain so you could die right if you use it on a travel. And there's another piece of that cool paper. And I may have a pocket, a bus on it. I wanted it to be like a journal for traveling, so and then people, you could add your own, whatever you chose. A lot of space in this one. And back cover, like I said, very simple one, but I wanted it small. This one's 8 by 5, so I think I may have made it a little bigger. I don't remember, but I wanted it thin. I wanted it a lot of journaling, like say you went to like say Statue of Liberty. You could write New York, went to Statue of Liberty and about it. So I didn't want to over decorate it. So that is 12 hashtag 12 of 22 journals, hosted by Bima's Crafty Corner. Bye everybody.